So, today we have a big kitchen set. We want to tell you some stuff about it. This is a little set. We also reviewed that little box opening of that kitchen stuff right here. It has stuff, the pan, the timer, and we don't really know what the timer is. This, it doesn't really have the pretend glass cup and the olive oil and all this stuff. It is going to be pink, and it may just come with this little chart right here, and you can buy food for it, but it might just come with a couple foods, I don't know. It says wooden chef's kitchen cupcake. I don't know why it says cupcake, but yeah, we got this
from HSN.
Yeah, and we also got it a little bit of a time ago. I started cutting into it somewhere, and I was really excited. But I got it quite a time ago when I was not 8. I was 7, and now I am 8. But look, it's such a cool set. And baby Destiny is trying to push out. Trying to push out little girl. Yeah. So there's the cutie playing in her little playpen. Yeah. Okay, without further ado, let's get to the video. So, it shows two little kids playing with it right here, and we did get it from TV with that knife. It's very sharp, and we do not want to really try not to do this at home alone with the knife, because the knife is not safe. Don't do it at home alone unless you're grown up, and unless you have unless you're old enough to handle a knife.
We'll be right back and we'll have this unboxed for you.
Yep. Okay, we're getting it all out. I'm so excited. Here's some pieces. Yeah, we'll be right back and we'll get it really up, but here's it so far. Oh my gosh! What is that? What the heck is that, Mommy?
It's a, what do you call those? Oh gosh, you're gonna, it's one of those things that pinch you.
Ew, I don't like it. That's probably because the box was in the garage. Okay, we'll be right back, guys. Everything's getting like, whoa, that was loud. This is very soft stuff, actually. We're getting some stuff out, guys. Okay. Whoa, we're gonna shut this off. Whoa! Keep on ripping the paper over here.
Come on.
I'm filming again.
Oh wait, this is the
Wait, what is that?
this is the microwave.
Wait, let's see. Here, let's get it out. Guys, I can't believe it. This was in the packaging too. A little set
Everything
to
you need to put it together.
Whoa, look at all that. And there we go. We're getting into the nitty-gritty stuff here. Let's see what we got.
More pieces. These are the knobs for the stove.
Yeah.
And
Everything's
here's the front
fun.
of the microwave.
Everything is going crazy around here, guys. Crazy. Ooh, hey, that's weird. There's buttons at the bottom of this.
Please like and subscribe, and in the comments let us know if you've ever had a Melissa and Doug. We're going to do this in 2 installments, so we will be back tomorrow with hopefully it put together.
Yeah.
Thanks, guys.
And we should put it together today. So.
Yeah, that'd be nice.